In this problem, we're given a line with a slope of 5, and it contains the point 2, -1. The first thing we're to do is plot the point using the point tool located down here. Click it. Plot the point 2, -1 by starting at the origin, moving 2 units in the positive x direction, 1 unit in the negative y direction. Click the mouse to plot the point. Step 2 is to use the slope, which is 5, to find two other points, one to the left and one to the right. To do this, I'm going to think of the slope as a fraction. So the slope is given to be 5. In my first iteration, I'm going to think of it as 5 divided by 1, so that it looks like a fraction, like rise over run. So thinking of the slope as rise over run, and thinking of 5 as a fraction 5 over 1, you can line things up and see that one thing that we can do is start at the point 2, -1, and we'll have a positive run of 1. Positive run means to move to the right 1. A positive rise of 5 means to move up 5. So I'm going to start at 2, 1, 2, -1, and move to the right 1 and up 5. Here's 2, -1. I'm going to move to the right 1 unit, that's right here. I'm going to move up 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click the mouse button to plot the second point. There would be the point to the right. To get a point to the left, you need a negative run. So what I've done over here on the slope is I've made the -1 for the run. That's the only way you're going to be able to move left. But if you make the 1 negative, you need to make the 5 negative as well. You're not allowed to change the value of the slope. -5 over -1 has the same value as +5 over +1. Two negatives, when you divide them, make a positive. So this time, I'm going to repeat the process starting with 2, -1. But this time, I'm going to move left 1 and down 5 because both my rise and my run are negative. So I'm going to move over here to 2, -1. That was our starting point. I'm going to move left 1 unit, that's right here, and this time down 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plot my point. Hopefully this will create a line. In fact, step 3 is to graph the line using the line tool, which is right here. Click the line tool, pick a point, click and hold the mouse button down, move to the other points, let go of the mouse button, and you've drawn the line. The fourth step is to simply write the ordered pairs of the 2 points that we plotted. The left point right here, this was the left point, has coordinates of 1, -6. So I'm going to type in left parenthesis 1, -6. The point to the right was found by starting here and moving to the right 1 and up. So this one has coordinates 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4. So left parenthesis 3, 4. Don't forget to put the right parenthesis.